What's the meaning of conditionally? Conditionally. Conditionally.
Conditionally. Conditionally. Conditionally means that something is dependent on certain conditions being met. In other words, a result or outcome is not guaranteed unless certain requirements are fulfilled. For example, a job offer might be given conditionally on the candidate passing a background check. A conditional result is one that is contingent upon these specific conditions being satisfied. It is important to clarify any conditions attached to a result or outcome so that all parties involved understand what is expected. Therefore, it is crucial to read and understand the fine print before agreeing to any contracts or agreements that involve conditional outcomes.